The last and final award, the overall team MVP award, the one that we are all sitting around waiting waiting on. This one goes to the Machete. The dynamics in this room and on this team is electric. They have a bond that goes beyond the football field, right? It goes beyond the classroom. They hang out with each other. They're a great group of young men, right? And they're still growing, developing, and learning this journey through life together. So that's great. 3 of the young men that have received awards tonight, I would consider pretty close friends. So the Lancer Award went to Dotinga. However, this award goes to, the MVP award goes to Devin, because he was there for 10 games. He did absolutely everything that we asked, on top of the fact that in the start of the season, we didn't know who the JV quarterback was going to be. We threw him in the quarterback room. I told you, we're Cleveland Browns over here. We got quarterback, top quarterbacks, top quarterback. So, we can't have him sitting there, backing up, and not getting any playing time, being the athlete and the talent that he is. We have to find a spot for him on the field. He proved that by his work ethic every day at practice, learning multiple positions, going from quarterback to running back to wide receiver, from DB to linebacker to holder. He did anything that we asked him to do on the field. So kind of only made it right that because of that, he kind of represented what the JV team needed, what we are hoping for everyone on the squad, but his stats also solidified that, okay? His relentlessness, his toughness, his grit, his grind, his refusal to go down. There will be plays where he breaks six tackles. He's got guys on his back. Hey, he was just a beast out on the field. Here are his numbers. 41 receiving catches, 646 yards, 8 touchdowns. Some of them were up there for the longest touchdowns, and I think he had the number one for 99 yards, 99 and a half yards, right? To open the season in 100-degree weather. So that was huge. I told you we had a fast start. That's how we started the season out. 4 rushing yards, 4 rushes for 14 yards. And on the defensive side of the ball, 28 tackles, 1 interception, 2 fumble recoveries. He did absolutely everything that we asked him to do, except throw a pass. And that was one of the first things we asked him to do. Okay? So with that, Machete, keep up the work ethic, keep up that smile, keep up that charm. You're a driving force on campus, ASB, right? You keep that up as you go through Sunny Hills. The homecoming, the prom kings, all of that is in the future for you that you want, as well as being a leading player on the Sunny Hills football in the future to come. Congratulations on being the JV Team MVP.